Hi and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to transform a plain LED candle into a stunning piece of your home decor. So hello again, I am Veronica and let's get started. For this project you're gonna need a LED candle and a rice paper or a napkin. I have chosen rice paper with dog design on it. Next step is decoupage glue or meticulously. Apply the glue on the candle and then apply the rice paper on it and fix it with glue again. Let it dry. With rice paper I decided to apply some air drying clay as well, so here it is. Also I'm gonna use some stencil and some mold for this project and some stamps as well. And express glue to glue the clay on. Roll out the clay the size you need. Then press the stencil onto it. Next is to glue the clay onto the candle. Be very careful when you are moving it so you don't ruin your design. Cut off the excess clay out of the candle. I have carefully pressed the stencil onto the clay to get some more paw design on it. Next I added the clay sunflowers to it and glue it with express glue from Pentart, or you can use any glue you want. Glue it carefully onto the candle, but make sure you are very careful because the clay is still wet and you can ruin your design. Next, I rolled out a little bit of clay and I pressed a stamp into it with a saying onto it. Cut out the edges of your saying and then carefully glue it onto the candle. Let the clay dry. I applied a little bit of glitter glue onto the rice paper design. Let it dry. Then I applied a glaze, or you can use varnish to seal your design, your rice paper. After the clay was dry, I started to paint it. After the design was painted, let it dry and then go ahead and apply some varnish onto it to seal your design. The last step I used on this candle was a wax paste on it. And here it is, all finished, from plain LED candle to a cute summer fun candle decor for your home. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked what you saw, please do subscribe for more. Thank you.